Alden with short update. Yung may pa-update si Joyce Cheng sa shooting ng movie nila ni Alden na Out of Order. Day 3 na nga. Sa IG story yan. Tapos yan pa nga picture ni Alden, no? Yes, Derek Alden. Seryoso pa nga habang minimakeup pa, no? Yan, busy nga si Alden sa kanyang shooting. Ayan pang abangan kay Alden Richard at kay Miss Sharon Cuneta sa movie nilang Family of Two. Yan, 4 yung gaganapin sa yun, December. Yung December. Ayan, December 1, TV Patrol Special Movie Featuring. December 3, Grand Trailer Launch and Video Conference. December 5, Music Video Trailer Launch. At December 9, Ultimate Family Bonding with the cast of Enchanted Kingdom. Pumunta sila dyan sa Enchanted Kingdom. Ayan, no? 6-6 sa surprise. See you soon. You know.
Kanya mamaki.
Kaya naman, ang behind the scene ni Alden sa kanyang endorsement na casino ethyl alcohol. Ayan. Yan, no?
Hot ba? Cool ka lang. Mag-casino active. Casino to bad germs. Say yes to good vibes. Say yes sa fresh scent.
Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, click ang notification bell para lang update na po ang Nature Reaction Vlog. Bye guys, thank you for watching.